Think your home needs a full renovation to feel fresh and stylish? Think again. You can completely transform your space with just a few smart, budget-friendly tweaks. No sledgehammer required. Today, I'll walk you through simple changes that make your home feel more beautiful, more functional, and more you without spending a fortune. From lighting to rugs to doors, these small changes add up fast. Stick around. By the end, you'll have a list of easy ideas that will totally transform your space. Let's get started. 1. Upgrade your lighting. Instantly change the mood. If you're going to change just one thing, then let it be the lighting. Poor lighting makes even the best decorated rooms feel dull and flat. The fix? Layer your lighting. Use a mix of sources: ceiling lights, floor lamps, table lamps, wall sconces, even LED strips. Place them at different heights to create depth and warmth. Ever heard of the no big light trend? That's what this is about. Ditching harsh ceiling lights and building soft, ambient lighting. Try to mix warm and cool light sources, depending on the mood you want. Warm light feels cozy, cool light feels fresh and energizing. You don't need to spend much. Amazon, IKEA, and secondhand shops have great options. And always go for LED bulbs. They last longer and save energy. Bonus tip: use mirrors to bounce natural or lamplight around. Place one opposite a window and watch your room glow. 2. Repaint for a quick transformation. Paint is powerful and cheap. A new wall color can make a space feel completely new. Want a cozy vibe? Try deep greens or moody blues. Need more brightness? Go for soft neutrals or crisp whites. You don't have to paint everything. Just updating trims, baseboards, or a feature wall can make a huge difference. Look at your bathroom, hallway, or bedroom. What one area could use a refresh? 3. Fix the proportions. Make it feel right. Does your room feel off and you can't figure out why? It might be a proportion issue. Furniture that's too big or too small for your space can throw everything out of balance. Some quick tips. Rugs should extend at least 6 inches past both sides of your sofa. Coffee tables should be about 2/3 the length of the sofa. Leave at least 18 inches between a coffee table and the couch. Use artwork that fills at least 60% of the wall it's on. When proportions are right, the space feels balanced, cozy, and intentional, even if the furniture is inexpensive. 4. Swap out your rug. Instant style shift. Rugs are game changers. They cover lots of space and set the tone for a room. Is your rug too small? It makes everything look disconnected. Ideally, it should reach under the front legs of your sofa and chairs. For bedrooms, 6x9 for double beds, 8x10 for queen, 9x12 for king. Try layering a smaller statement rug over a plain one to save money. And remember, light-colored rugs brighten dark floors, while rich-toned rugs add warmth. And if you have pets or kids, try a washable rug. It'll save you so much time and stress. 5. Replace your curtains. Big visual impact. Old curtains or cheap blinds can make even a nicely decorated room look unfinished. Instead, switch to linen, cotton, or sheer panels. And here's the trick. Hang your curtains high and wide, mount the rod close to the ceiling, and extend it 8 to 12 inches past the window frame. This makes your windows look larger and your ceilings higher. White or natural linen curtains are timeless and work with most color palettes. You can even find no-drill curtain rod options if you're renting, and don't forget the curtain length. Always go floor length for that tailored designer look. 6. Give your doors a mini makeover. Doors are often overlooked, but they're a big part of the visual story. Start with a deep clean, then repaint or restain depending on your style. Warm neutrals and navy tones are popular right now. You can even add privacy glass paint for light plus privacy. You can also switch out old doorknobs and hinges with brass, matte black, or brushed nickel options. This small change adds an elegant custom feel. If your doors are plain, add simple trim or molding panels to give them depth and texture. 7. Easy kitchen upgrades. No renovation. Needed, a full kitchen remodel is expensive, but you can still refresh the space. Here's how. Repaint your cabinets, stick with neutrals or two-tone combos like white uppers and navy lowers. Swap out your hardware. Choose modern pulls or knobs that suit your style. Install peel and stick backsplash tiles, easy, removable, and renter-friendly. Add under-cabinet lighting, battery-powered LED strips work great. Also, consider open shelves for a lighter look and a chance to show off pretty dishes or cookbooks. Tip: read reviews before buying peel and stick tiles. Some leave residue. 8. Hide the mess. Clear space equals clear mind. Clutter can ruin the vibe of even the most beautifully decorated room. Start with cords. Use cable boxes, clips, or wall-mounted strips to keep them out of sight. Add decorative trays for keys, mail, or remotes. Baskets and bins are your best friends. They hide everyday items while adding texture. Use them in entryways, under coffee tables, in open shelves, and even in the bathroom. And don't underestimate the power of hidden storage, like ottomans that double as organizers or side tables with drawers. The less clutter, the more peaceful and spacious your home feels. 9. Add wall molding or paneling, subtle but stylish. Plain walls can feel flat and boring. Add character with molding or wall paneling. You don't have to be a DIY pro. Many peel and stick options exist today. Try board and batten in a hallway or dining room. Wainscoting in a bathroom. Grid-style panels behind your bed or sofa. Keep it painted in the same color as the wall for a subtle texture, or go bold with a contrasting color. This small change instantly makes your home feel more upscale. 10. Add statement decor. Personal touches matter. Finally, bring in pieces that reflect you. It doesn't need to be expensive, just intentional. Here's what works: large-scale art or photography, oversized floor mirrors, vintage finds like lamps or vases, handmade pottery or woven baskets, textured throws and cushions and natural fabrics. Group items in threes for a more curated look, and don't forget to leave breathing room. Space is a luxury too. Outro. You don't need to tear down walls or spend thousands to upgrade your home. All it takes is a few smart changes: better lighting, fresh paint, right-sized furniture, and a few personal touches. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which tip are you going to try first in your home? Tell me in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more simple home ideas that make a big impact. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating.